Are you new to IT audit or compliance? Let's simplify one of the most important concepts. IT general controls, or ITGC. IT general controls are the basic building blocks of IT assurance. They support the reliability of systems and the integrity of data. Without strong ITGCs, even the best software or processes can be compromised. They help protect systems from unauthorized access, changes, and failures. There are 4 core areas of IT general controls. 1. Access controls. 2. Change management. 3. IT operations. 4. Backup and recovery. Access controls ensure only authorized people can access systems and data. This includes user IDs, passwords, role-based access, and approval processes. This makes sure system updates or changes are tested, approved, and documented. It prevents errors and unauthorized changes to software or settings. IT operations cover the daily tasks that keep systems running reliably. This includes job scheduling, monitoring, incident handling, and batch processing. These controls ensure critical data is regularly backed up and can be recovered in case of a failure, attack, or disaster. Strong ITGCs help build trust in systems. They are key to audits, risk management, and compliance with laws like SOX and GDPR. Want to learn more about IT audit and grow your skills? Subscribe and check out our next video. Access controls explained with real-life examples.